Hooper? Mrs. Hooper, I brought your groceries. Hello? Mrs. Hooper, I'm gonna leave your groceries right here. I'll collect next week, okay? Hello? Mrs. Hooper? Sick. Mrs. Hooper? It's me, the grocery boy. Mrs. Hooper?
Our sister has gone to her rest in the peace of Christ. With faith and hope in eternal life, may the Lord now welcome her to the table of God's children in heaven. May we have a moment of silent prayer.
Elizabeth wasn't crazy, Roger. A little senile, maybe, but just wasn't like her to go and do something like that.
Thank you, Mr. Jones. I appreciate that.
Now, my wife, she's crazy. But your aunt, she was a good woman.
Okay, everybody back up a few steps, would you? Give Mr. Cobb some room to sign your books.
To my good friend, Johann.
There you go.
Great book, man.
Mr. Cobb, we've been waiting a long time. Can you tell me what your next book is going to be about?
It's about my personal experiences in Vietnam.
The war?
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, great.
Are you really married to Sandy Sinclair?
I was, but we're divorced now.
I just wanted to tell her that I think she's a marvelous actress. She's a very talented young lady.
I'll tell her that.
It's a great book.
Thank you. Like your hair.
Thanks.
I've never missed her show, not once since it's been on the air. She is so enchanting to watch.
What are these
Well,
lunatics,
sometimes
Frank?
I invite the girls over.
Your most devoted fans.
Crackers, some Kool-Aid, no big deal.
I'll treasure this,
And we
always.
just sit and watch her.
Roger, Blood Dance was released over a year ago. We can't keep doing the same autograph sessions anymore. The fans are hungry for something new. Got anything to show me? 5 pages, anything. Roger, if you don't have a new book on my desk by the end of the month, you're going to have to pay the advance back to Doubleday. And you're really going to be out of Now, come on, Roger, you have already lost your wife over this thing. Are you going to throw your career down the toilet, too? Roger, you have to get back to your life.
Frank, come on.
And listen, while we're on the subject of the book, Roger, nobody wants to read about the goddamn Vietnam War anymore. They want to read a good horror story.
Frank, would you listen to me for a second, all right? I know this book has been giving me a problem, but it's something I have to do. I've got to write this book.
Hello, Agent Thatcher. Please, tell him it's Roger Cobb. Tell him it's urgent.
I'm sorry, he's on another line. Can he call
I'll
back?
wait.
Yes, Mr. Cobb.
You hear anything?
No, afraid we don't have anything new about your son.
But you call me.
You know we will. By the way, I got a call from Decker at CIA. Please do me a favor. Leave him alone.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
You bet. We'll call you.
Hello?
Roger,
Yeah?
what's that noise?
The guys have got the music turned up. Hold on a minute. Hey, guys, would you turn that down? I mean, I'm on the phone for crying out loud. Yeah. I'm sorry. This poker game's getting a little out of hand.
Who's there?
A bunch of guys, you know.
I'm calling from the awards party. I lost.
Oh, gee, I'm sorry to hear that. The awards, I forgot all about it. I've been busy working.
Are you writing again? That's wonderful.
Sandy, I'm sorry.
Hold on.
Tough break.
I was just calling to tell you I got your message. I'm sorry about your aunt.
I went to the house.
Roger, why do you keep doing this to yourself?
Okay.
Why can't you just...
Let's look happy.
Can you hold on just 1 second?
Hold on, wait. Sandy, I gotta go. Listen, I'm holding up the game. So I'll talk to you later, okay?
How's this?
Roger,
Yeah.
Come on, babe, smile.
nothing. Bye.
Goodbye. Hello, Sandy? Sandy? I'm such a jerk.
Here's the lucky man.
Mr. Parker.
Mr. Cobb, it's a pleasure to see you again. How's the drive?
Well, actually, it wasn't...
Good. Glad to hear it.
Too bad.
You know, I didn't expect to hear from you again so soon. I just got the for sale sign up yesterday. I can assure you everything's in order. It really wasn't necessary for you to come all this way.
It's all right. I wanted to.
Your uncle was quite a fisherman. I understand he held a U.S. record for 2 years with that one.
Mm-hmm.
As you can see, we cleaned the place up a bit.
Mm-hmm.
Planning to hold the auction next month. We can get a lot of money for some of this junk. If you'd like to follow me this way, I'll give you a little tour of the place.
It's all right. I know my way around. I grew up here.
How's that?
When my mother died, my aunt raised me.
I had no idea. What a remarkable woman. We also cleaned up the pool.
Jimmy? 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 Jim?
Sandy? Sandy?
Ron?
Honey, is Jimmy in there with you?
No, I thought he was around the side with you.
He's not.
Check in the back?
Jimmy! Jimmy!
Cobb, are you okay?
Yeah.
Let's move on to the studio, shall we?
This will make a great guest house. Bathroom over there, knock through a door, hot tub, jacuzzi. Kitchenette goes here. Hey, you know, got a nephew named Monty's in the construction business. Works cheap. He could do a heck of a job with this place. Worst comes to worst, person could lease out the big house and move in here. Creative financing. Say, whatever happened to this uncle?
Oh, he was diving for abalone off of Point Reyes. Got it.
Oops, sorry about that. You know, your aunt was quite a painter, let me tell you. Here, take a look at this, will you? She must have been working on this right before she died. Gives me the creeps. Morbid little woman, wasn't she?
That's the closet in her bedroom.
It's the same room where she hung her, where she passed away.
You know, she thought this house was haunted.
Get out of here. You're kidding, aren't you?
Mr. Cobb, your son is not in the pool. Your son is nowhere in the neighborhood.
I'm telling you, I saw him in the pool. He was in the swimming pool, and I ran, and I dove in.
And he wasn't there. Mr. Cobb, we've got an APB out on your son. We'll let you know as soon as we have some.
It was the house. It was the house that did it.
Right, Mrs. Hooper, we understand.
Telling you, Roger, it was the house.
Will you shut up? Will you shut up just for once, you old bat?
Touchy.
I'm sorry, Mr. Parker, I'm not selling.
What?
I said I'm not selling.
Well, I hope you reconsider.
I think I'm going to stay a while. Do some work.
Hello?
Elizabeth.
It won, Roger. It tricked me. I didn't think it could, but it did.
What?
It's going to trick you too, Roger. This house knows everything about you. Leave while you can.
No!
Hey!
Morning.
She's pretty, eh?
Hi.
Howdy, neighbor. Just move in?
Yeah, last night.
Harold Gorton.
Hi, Roger.
Roger. Well, hey, it's great to have a new neighbor. Woman lived here before you was nuts. Biggest bitch under the sun. Just a senile old hag, really. Wouldn't be surprised if someone just got fed up and offed her, you know what I mean?
She was my aunt.
Heart of gold, though. Just a saint, really. And such a beautiful woman for her age.
Mm-hmm.
Would you like some dinner? You and the whole family? Just come on over, I'll whip something up, you know?
Afraid I'm alone.
You're alone? Well, that's better yet, you know, because just get some burgers, watch the game. You're an A's fan, right?
Yeah, sort of. I'm a writer. I'm up here just kind of trying to get away from things for a while, you know, solitude. You know? Solitude?
I don't believe this. This can't be, right? Roger. Roger Cobb, right?
Yeah, that's me.
I'm your
Sort of.
biggest fan.
Is that right?
Yes, right here. Oh, whoops. It's a little kind of falling apart. But, would you mind autographing this for me?
Oh, you bet. You got a pen?
Well.
You know what? Why don't we do this later?
All right.
Because I want to get back inside and get started on my new book. You know, and get back to that, solitude.
Solitude. Of course, solitude.
You understand, don't you?
Oh, absolutely. Bet it's going to be great, huh?
I hope so.
Okay. Roger Cobb.
Lord help me.
Get up off your ass, Cobb. Got a war to lose, remember? You too, Ben. Move. All right, everybody, gather around.
I am sick of that punk telling me what to do.
That's his job, Ben. Tell us what to do.
Nobody tells me what to do, buddy.
Okay, let's go. Hustle it up. This is where we got to be by 0600 hours. That means we've got to be across this ridge within the hour and find the village. Now, we know for sure that Charlie's in there. So shoot anything that moves.
Come on.
This is strictly a search and destroy mission. So if you see any NVA, we'll call for an airstrike and just try to hold our position. All right. Hey, pipe down. Dan, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Shut up and listen, you big ox. We ain't fucking around anymore. This is the real shit. You guys better get your act together if you want to get out of here in one piece. Now, Fitzsimmons, I want you to take the right flank. And Scott, now Steele, you take the left flank. We're just gonna police the area east, into the sun. Get down!
patient of Dr. Stevens? Oh.
Daddy?
I must be going crazy.
What you doing?
Me? Nothing. I'm just, I'm working on my book, you know. Good to see you. I need to get back inside and,
Solitude.
Solitude, yes, right. I'll see you later, though. Okay?
Writing looks like fun, huh?
3.
Harold, don't do that! What did I do? You scared the hell out of me, that's what you did.
Sorry, I thought I'd bring over a midnight snack. Solitude's always better with someone else around, you know? Should I,
Why don't we go downstairs to the dining room and eat that, all right?
What's all the cameras for, Raj?
I'll explain it to you downstairs. So that's when I decided I'd come up here, try and write my book.
Life's a bitch, huh? So, what's all this cameras for upstairs?
Do you believe in ghosts?
Well, what kind of ghosts?
My aunt thought this house was haunted.
No offense, Raj, but your aunt was Looney Tunes.
What about me? You think that I'm Looney Tunes?
Not at all. I mean, you've been to Vietnam, lost your only child, your wife divorced you. I mean, you've got a few marbles rolling around, but right now you seem fine.
I think this house is haunted.
Well, you know, I find that, you know, unexplained psychic stuff kind of interesting myself, but problem is, they usually go ahead and find some explanation anyway for the unexplained stuff, you know?
In the closet upstairs, I saw something.
This is other than coats and hats, etc.
No, I saw a ghost, something. I opened the closet door and it reached out and it tried to grab me.
Yeah, this is sounding a little bit like some of your novels. You sure you're just not imagining this?
Does this look like imagination?
That's a very nasty scratch. Why don't you have someone look at that?
I opened the closet door, and it reached out, and it tried to grab me.
Well, where do you suppose the monster is now? Just kind of hanging out in the closet up there? Or what?
I don't know.
Yeah. So, all the cameras up there, you try to get a photo of it.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Do you think I'm,
No, not at all.
You do?
No. Matter of fact, if you get a picture of this thing, I'd love to see it because, you know, I don't think I've ever seen a ghost before. At least not since I was a kid. Well, it's great talking with you, Raj. And I'll be sure to look for your wife on TV. What's that show called?
Resort.
Resort, right. And Wednesdays, 10 o'clock.
Right.
All right, I'll be sure to look for it.
Harold.
Yeah?
Thanks for the food.
Oh, no problem.
Hello.
Sandy Cobb, please.
Speaking. Who's this?
This is Harold.
Who?
Harold Gordon, a friend of Roger's.
Oh, he can't be reached here. Aren't you calling a bit late?
Yes, sorry, but I don't want to talk to Roger. I'd like to talk to you, actually.
Oh.
See, I live next door to Roger up here in Marin. And, this is going to sound a little strange, but I thought I should call you because I don't think Roger's got his act together.
What do you mean?
He's having flashbacks or something. Seeing strange things. Ghosts and stuff.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, I think you ought to come up here and check the guy out.
I can't. I've got to be on the set at 6:30 tomorrow morning. I really can't. I'll call him right away.
Well, all right. Go ahead and call him, and I'll just keep an eye on him up here for you, okay?
Okay, let me give you my daytime number.
All right, go.
954-1473.
73, got it. All right. Don't worry about anything, I guess. I'll just be sure to give you a call if something bad happens.
Thanks. Bye.
Fitzsimmons, you're walking point.
Like hell I am.
Scott.
Forget it, man. No way.
Hey, I haven't got time to argue, goddammit.
Oh, what point?
It's nice to see somebody around here's got some guts.
Somebody got no brains, too.
That means you too, Cobb. What? You heard me.
All right, Rod, you and me, buddy. Let's go get him.
Now move out. Fitzsimmons, you take the rear.
Stop. What?
I heard something.
Man, don't be an idiot. We're out of their line of sight. You were the guy who heard something, right? I got an idea. Let's find out where Charlie really is.
You, Charlie.
Let's just stay right here. I can't stand in one spot. I gotta keep moving. Ben, what the hell do you think you're doing?
Jimmy? Sandy.
I tried to call, but there was no answer. I was worried about you, Roger.
What are you doing here?
I wanted to see you. What are you doing with that gun?
Nothing. Sandy. Oh my God. Gun.
Yes, I'd like to report a suicide attempt.
No, Sandy. Can't be you.
Put the gun down.
It's not loaded.
I said put the gun down, sir. All right, now stand up. Put your hands above your head and move this way, away from the gun. We have a report. Someone at this address has been firing a shotgun.
Oh, yeah. I was just polishing it, cleaning it, and it went off by accident. I didn't know it was loaded.
But you do know it's against the law to discharge a firearm within city limits, don't you? I'm going to have to give you a citation.
A citation? Thank you.
Hey, wait a minute. I know you, don't I? You're Roger Cobb, right?
Yeah, right.
I'm sorry about your son.
Mr. Cobb, I know this is a funny question, but you wouldn't happen to be the same Roger Cobb who wrote Blood Dance, would you?
Yeah. That's me.
Well, why didn't you say so earlier?
That's just...
Mr. Cobb, I was wondering if you'd do me a big favor.
Oh, sure.
I mean, I know you're probably busy and all, but...
No, you have a...
Could I use your bathroom?
No. I mean, yes, you can. Be my guest. I'll,
You men go ahead and take off. We got under control here. Who are you?
Harold, next door neighbor.
Yeah, right, beat it.
But I was wondering...
Goodbye, Harold. The bathroom's right down the hall.
Well, this is quite a place you have here, Mr. Cobb.
Thank you.
The, bathroom down here?
No! It's right there.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, I bet you guys could use some coffee, huh? No. You're probably in a hurry.
Oh, no, coffee'd be great.
Yeah.
Cup of coffee would be nice.
Is Instant okay?
Sure.
Here, I got it.
No, that's all right.
I got it. No, I got it. These look familiar to you?
Yeah. I dropped those.
I thought you said you were just cleaning the gun.
No sense having a gun if you don't load it at one time or another. Is there?
Well, I wouldn't recommend cleaning a loaded gun.
Oh, no. Neither would I. I'll be right back. What are you doing?
Just looking at this thing here on the wall.
My aunt was an artist.
Yeah, I guess.
Why don't you come back into the kitchen? I have some coffee on.
Oh, I didn't mean to startle you, Mr. Cobb. Well, I guess we better get on out of here, huh?
Yeah.
Well, it was great talking with you guys. My gun.
What about your gun?
Is there something wrong, Mr. Cobb?
No. No problem. Just,
Thanks again for the coffee.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Mr. Cobb.
Where's your son, Roger? You'll never find him. He's dead.
He's not dead. He's someplace in this house.
Say your prayers.
Feeling dare you?
Hi.
What are you digging?
A hole?
Oh?
A big hole.
Oh, I can see that. What's under the plastic? A sapling?
A sapling, yes. It's an apricot tree.
Oh. I used to come and swim here when your aunt lived here. I hope you don't think I'm imposing or anything.
Oh, no. Not at all.
My name is Tanya. Hi. Nice to meet you.
Hi. I'm, Roger.
Hi. Here with your wife? Wife?
No. I'm divorced.
Oh, really? Shame. You must be lonely.
Well, I appreciate the company, Tanya, but, you know, I'm kind of busy right now.
Oh, no, don't be silly. I understand. I can tell when a man wants to work. I can also tell when a man wants to play. We should get together soon.
Absolutely.
Neighbors shouldn't be strangers.
I couldn't agree more any other time, all right?
All right, that's okay. Bye.
I'll see you later, okay?
Okay. Oh, Roger, if you need anything at all, just call, okay?
All right. Bye.
Bye.
This is dedicated to the one I love. While I'm far away from you, my baby, I know it's hard for you, my baby, because it's hard for me, my baby, and the darkest hour is just before dawn. Each night before you go to bed, my baby, whisper a little prayer for me, my baby, and tell all the stars above. This is dedicated to the one I love. This is dedicated to the one I love. This is dedicated to the one I love.
Drop it. Good boy. Good boy. Drop it. Drop it. No, stay. Stay. Good dog. Good dog. Stay. Stay! Stay!
Those car keys. Find those car keys.
Hi. Ready to play?
Hello.
This is my son, Robert, and he really loves to play.
Look,
Would you
I
mind
was just about...
inside? It's a little bit chilly out here. I really wouldn't want Robert to catch cold.
Actually, I don't know if this is the most appropriate time.
It will only be a minute. See, I thought that you used to get acquainted. I mean, we are neighbors and all.
That's very thoughtful of you, Tony, but
Yeah.
at the same time, I'm kind of busy right now. I think that I'm kind of... Where you going, little fella? Stay here. I'll get him.
Roger?
Stop! Robert! Come here, Robert. Robert, come here. I got you. I got you.
Robert? Roger? Are you going? Roger?
It's okay, Robert. We're gonna see Mommy right now. Hi. Here we are, Mom.
Is everything okay?
Oh, yeah. Robert just had to go potty, but we took care of everything.
Roger, would you do me a great favor?
I'm sorry, but I'm kind of
Great.
busy
I
tonight.
need a babysitter, and I'd really appreciate it. You know, you're such a good-looking, nice man. You know, Robert will just love you. I have a few things for you. Hold on.
No, I'm sorry.
Here we have change of clothing, extra sweater, blanket. Okay, hold on. Can't sleep without this one. Okay,
Tanya.
favorite teddy.
Tanya.
A few things here. Duck for the bath, Superman, and a few other things. Okay, I'll be back later tonight, and, you know, I can't tell you how much this means to me. Thanks.
But
My sister is an only child and you abused her. I can never forgive you for that.
I can't hide the fact that I've been a male prostitute my entire life, Julie. Your sister paid me $2,000 to spend the night with her. Don't be hoodwinked by her, Julie. Don't you think it's time you woke up and smelled the coffee?
I'll smell whatever I damn well please, without your help.
Robert.
Take it easy, honey. Take it easy. You know, you're beautiful.
Robert? What's wrong, honey? You want your mommy? She'll be back here in a little bit, okay? How about this toy? You want Buzz off? Huh? You want something else to play with?
Yeah.
How about a nice plastic bag?
Mommy.
Come on. I know. Mommy's coming back in a few minutes, all right? She's gonna be right back. Let's go watch some TV, okay?
Her wallet is bare and her mind is empty.
That's a good boy.
I love you, Julie.
Is that what you call love? Well, if that's what you call love, then I don't want any part of it.
What about the other night?
What other night?
The other night by the pool, Julie. Don't play dumb with me.
Maybe I'm not as dumb as you think.
Come on.
How could you know what
Just lay down right there, okay?
Is it possible that
Sleepy?
you've been this blind arm plans all along?
Yeah. You got tired eyes there, don't you?
I needed to be. You of all people should know. Anything's possible when you're in love.
Come on, let's go back. Ben, wait up. Ben, we lost him. We're gonna get hit with friendly fire. Ben, being a jerk.
Magic time.
Ben. Get out.
Shut up, Roger. I know what I'm doing.
Robert? Robert!
Don't do that, okay? Cute. Hi, Mom.
Hi. How did it all go?
Oh, he slept like a lamb. He's just an angel.
Did you have fun? Huh? Yeah. Was Roger nice to you? Yeah? Oh, good. I knew I could trust you, Roger.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, let's say goodbye to Roger now. Come on.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Robert. You come back and visit me, all right?
Bye, then. Bye-bye. I appreciate it. Thanks.
Okay.
Lou. Hi. Hi, here's the beer. Hope we haven't missed the beginning.
Well, no, but I really didn't bring you over here to watch a movie.
You didn't?
No.
You got some,
yeah. Let's go upstairs for a minute, Harold.
Yeah.
You ever been hunting?
Sure.
Do you remember the other night when I told you I saw something?
Yeah.
Well, I guess I must have been a little hysterical because it wasn't a ghost. It was a raccoon.
Really?
A big raccoon. About the size of a St. Bernard.
Cujo the raccoon.
I got him trapped right now. They're in the closet. You're not afraid of raccoon, are you?
Me? No. No. What would you like me to do? I'll help.
You ever seen one of these before?
Yeah, sure, every day. What is it?
This is my uncle's harpoon gun.
Mm-hmm.
Take it.
Great.
I have a line attached here to a rod. In case it tries to get out through the roof, you can hold on to the thing.
Oh, what, the roof? Why?
Tore up a big hole in the roof, so he goes out through the attic and he feeds at night. And then he comes back in here and he builds a nest in the closet.
Honestly?
You better put these on. Now, the minute you see this thing, I want you to fire and hit him right between the eyes. If you don't kill him, Harold, he's probably going to try and get away, so I want you to hold on very tight. You got that? Okay, now come over here. I'm staying right there so you get a real good shot at him.
Yeah.
Now, so we time everything perfect. I'm going to open the door at exactly 12 o'clock.
All right, fine.
Okay?
Hmm? Oh, one more thing.
Make sure I'm out of the way before you shoot that thing.
You got it.
Here we go. Ready? Be quiet, because I'm going to hear your voice, okay?
Fish me off, Roger. Hang on me. Fish me off. I'm dying, Roger. Kill me. Fish you off. Oh! I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm hurt. Ben, I'm gonna go get help. Ben, I'm gonna go get help. No! Oh, get the truck back for you. No! Ben.
Roger! I'll get you for this! I swear I will!
Harold, I'm back.
Oh,
Wait, it's me! It's Roger.
Roger, it's really you. Thank God. Raccoon, Rod?
Jimmy! Jimmy!
Oh my God.
Dad. Oh, Dad. I want to go home. He's coming back.
Who? Come on. Come on.
Oh, Dad.
Sucker!
Big Ben.
No, it's your fairy godmother.
You did this. You took my kid.
Why didn't you kill me, Roger? Didn't you have the guts to do it?
I had to get help.
You tortured me for weeks.
I would have died for you, Ben.
Well, now's your chance.
No! Jimmy, I want you to get out of the house. Get help. I'll keep him here. Now go on, hurry up.
You're pissing me off, Roger. Roger, you hit like a little girl. I've been waiting years for this, Roger. Damn. Come back from your grave and ran out of ammunition. Roger. You can't and you never will. Come on, Roger. Is that all you can do, you wimp? Roger! Where you going, pal? You
Jimmy! Jimmy? Jim?
Think you're funny, Roger? A few years ago, you had a chance to kill me. Now I'm gonna kill your little boy unless you kill yourself.
No!
Daddy!
It's finally over, Roger. You've got no chance.
I'm not afraid of you anymore, Ben. I beat you! And this goddamn house!
Don't make me mad!
What?
I'm warning you, I'll slit his throat!
You can't hurt me. Or my son. No, Jimmy.
I'm warning you! No!
No! Suck!
No, Roger, no! No! I'll get you for this!
Feeling better now that we're through. Feeling better 'cause I'm over you. I've learned my lesson, it left a scar. And now I see how you really are. You're no good, you're no good, you're no good. Baby, you're no good. I'm gonna say it again. You're no good, you're no good, you're no good. Baby, you're no good. No, I broke a heart that's gentle and true. I left a boy for someone like you. I'll beg his forgiveness on bended knee, but I wouldn't blame him if he said to me, it's no good, no good, it's no good, baby, it's no good. Hey, I'm gonna say it loud and you're good, it's no good, it's no good, baby, it's no good.
This is a house where no one should live.
Woman lived here before you was nuts. Wouldn't be surprised if someone just got fed up and offed her.
She was my aunt.
Heart of gold, though.
Roger Cobb has come here alone.
Daddy?
But no one is ever alone in the house.
This house knows everything about you. Leave while you can.
No! It has been waiting for him.
Hi.
Sandy.
Now, it wants you. Horror has found a new home. House. Enter at your own risk.